We are about to get some rain, which is good. We've been in a drought, but I'm gonna try to get some garden maintenance in real fast. And first things first, so I have been saving some banana peels in a container of water, just banana peels I would have otherwise thrown away. Storing them in water, the potassium and stuff leaches into the water as it kind of sits in there, and it's a great source of potassium for the garden, which I'm actually glad I had this stuff saved because, let me show you. My cucumbers are growing in the shape of peppers, which indicates a few things. Inconsistent watering, which 100% is fact because, like I said, we've been in a drought, but it could also mean a lack of potassium in the soil. So we're gonna use our banana water to enrich the soil a little bit. Since we have some extra left, we're gonna go ahead and water the tomatoes and the melons and some of the other plants with it too. Also, I'm poking the soil with this stake, just so that way I'm not wasting any of this if it's going to run across the top of the soil to something else. Poking the hole where the roots of the plant are, it's gonna soak up the water faster so there's less runoff. And next, a little pruning. And that's all for now. It is raining. I'm heading in.